Hi friends, I'm Anita and I'm with Maine Project Learning Tree to do an activity today called Sounds Around. I'm here at the China School Forest at our bird watching station, and we're here to learn and to listen at what's going on around us in the forest today. So as I'm listening, there are some things I can hear. I can hear the wind blowing. I can hear some cars out on the roadway. I can hear lots of birds. Every once in a while I can hear some kids playing. It's pretty amazing when you stop and think about it, and when you really focus on what's going on around you. So when you're sitting outside, whether you're at your home or you're in the forest, take a few minutes and just sit and listen. What do you hear? This time of year, some of the best things to hear, in my opinion anyway, are some birds. So let's see if you can hear some of the birds that I'm hearing and guess what kinds they are. So the first one I have is this one. Have you heard that bird before? It's a bird I hear a lot of the time, and I hear it all year round. Can you guess what it is? It's a black-capped chickadee. And if you listen really carefully, you can actually almost hear it saying what its favorite meal might be. Can you hear it saying, cheeseburger, cheeseburger? Ready? Pretty cool, huh? I have another bird that I hear out here in the forest a lot too. I will hear this one sometimes. And I really hear it a lot of the times when I'm down by the water. Any guesses on what that might be? It's a red-winged blackbird. And the male have these really cool red flashes on it. And he's black. So it's a pretty good name for a bird like this, isn't it? Let's listen to it one more time. Cool. I hear this bird a lot around my yard. It says, listen. Have you heard that one? This bird you might see in the springtime especially, or even in the summer, hopping along on your lawn and finding worms on your driveway or in the grass. He says, cheerily, cheerio, cheerily, cheerio. Can you guess? It's a robin. And I have one more that you might be familiar with. In this case, you might hear this. And these are birds that I sometimes see at my feeder in the wintertime and even in the summer. Any guesses on that one? It's an American cardinal. And oftentimes he has a little pointy feathers on his head. This is the male. The female's not quite as fancy, but he's pretty beautiful. He says, pretty, pretty, pretty. So as you're listening in your yard or in the forest, again, take a few minutes to find out what you're hearing. Just listen. Be quiet. You may discover things that you never even knew were out there before.